It's your friendly math tutor, Miss C, here to unlock the magic of point slope form. First, what is point slope form? Well, it's the form of a linear equation. It also contains a point, which we write as x comma y, and the slope. You might be wondering what the equation of point slope form looks like. And this is it. Y minus y sub 1 equals m times the quantity x minus x sub 1, where m is the slope, x sub 1 is the x-coordinate of our point, and y sub 1 is the y-coordinate of our point. When we write these coordinates together, we write them as a coordinate pair in the form of x sub 1 comma y sub 1. Now let's practice identifying the slope and the point. In this equation, our slope is 4, and our coordinate pair is 5, 7, with 5 being the x-coordinate and 7 being the y-coordinate. Thank you for unlocking the magic of point slope form with me. Till next time.